Hello and welcome to this first tutorial. I'm going to be walking you through briefly how these tutorials work. On the first page there will be a list of learning outcomes. This lays out for you the main content for the unit. This will be followed by a list of key concepts that you can take a look at as a way of preparing for that particular unit. You can refer back, of course, to this list of concepts, key items at any point. The next page is what I call the unit opener. This is supposed to function as a kind of advanced organizer that shows a short video followed by questions, and the idea is that this introduces, through that example, through that video, some of the content and the main ideas that are introduced in this particular unit. This is followed by a commentary, a response to those questions that talks about some of the concepts that are raised through that video. The next page is a short reading. There will be a reading for each unit. This replaces the commercial textbook that I used to use in this course. This is followed by a lecture, which is a narrated PowerPoint presentation. And this is something that you can pause at any point. There's also a PDF file that contains an outline of the presentation that you can look at or print out if you want. There's a link to a YouTube version of the video in case you have some trouble with the video format that's used in the tutorial. And this is followed then by a link to a page containing links to additional resources, additional information, online resources about the content for this unit. And the final page on the tutorial is a list of questions that you should answer. Each of the questions has a point value attached to it. You can answer the questions more than once and improve your score. To see the actual questions that are in multiple answer or multiple choice, true-false format, and click on the title of the question, which is a link, and that will expand and show you the actual question that you can then answer. There are also learning activities typically on the quiz page, which will be similar to the drag and drop activity for this particular unit or the sorting activity. When you're finished answering all the questions, if you're viewing this tutorial within a course environment so that your score is recorded, you should click on the Finish button that you'll see then at the bottom of the page, and that will send your score into the grade book that's being used for the course. So have fun with the tutorial. Hopefully that will be an interesting learning experience for you, and good luck with the course.